okayfm 101.7.
Wow! Uncle Pat, you are 70 something years and you are still singing like you were in your 20s and 30s.
Yes.
How about in fitness, diet? What's your secret? Wow, eco jogging, and I say
jogging there I don't go. I do exercises. That's it.
Wow, wonderful. Within Pat Thomas. Me could be na or tema or half cast. What friend Thomas Metasi because I have cast brewing. Ghana ni pa for Thomas. It's also the Pat Roden or Patrick. And now Patrick Thomas.
My in short.
Okay, Patrick Thomas. Patrick Thomas. Now Thomas and so if he
go for minimum if you obisa man I'm okay. Obisa man what's your guy name? I'm say Pat Thomas.
That's all.
I don't know where it came from though.
Ibi amfe dinamo.
Debi. It's what from Nana Kwabram Mesa.
Okay.
That's my mother my real name.
Eya Fanti.
Yes, Santi.
You are 100% pure Ashanti.
Pure.
Iti Pat Thomas unya Fantini.
Minya Fantini okweku.
Iti ibadinti na etu Fantini mankrofu grinde Pat Thomas oye Fantini.
Oye Yaruba.
I love that. Oye Yarubamba. Tell us your days were in the 70s. The three beans.
Sweet beans.
Yeah, sweet beans.
Well, Sweet Beans was formed in 1972, but we stayed indoors for rehearsal for about 2 years. So we came out around 74. We came out around 74, 75.
Who are the members?
The members were Kofi Electric on drums, Pa Joe on bass, Big Joe on congas, Alfred Bannerman, not Alfred Bannerman in London, but there was another Bannerman who was playing guitar. And then who again? Echo Brown was the shaker, maracas player, and who again?
Now where you going with you, man?
Later. The singers too. No, the hornmen. We had 3 hornsmen. One was Collie. May he so rest in perfect peace. Luis, also a trumpeter. He's also gone. May he so rest in perfect peace. And there was a tennis guy. The name's Ga. I don't know where he is now.
Okay, now my movie from there. Your uncle is the late legendary Kenonyina.
Yes, that's it.
Okay, now it's an ancient. For how long?
For about 5 years.
It's why the if you uncle Kenonyina, you can the pioneers, the foundation of guitar band in Ghana. Kenonyina, KJC. And
EKs.
EKs.
Yeah.
Na why did you leave your uncle King Onyina? Na call the west side. Takrade.
Oh, okay. It was my aim. The Mpedamutun. Na anyuna Mpedamutun. Takrade in the other Ofi because of the Fanti. Enti mugwane ketna.
Enti takrade na osasa wo kasa from Ashanti.
Na me can fancy that anyway. Me baby ofi way. That's another thing.
Wow. Okay. Right. Uncle Pat Thomas me here 1 hour with him. I don't need time. But more considered because of the age.
The age is higher then.
Because I'm better about stretchy P.
Okay. Me stretch him.
Nah, uncle. If you to then.
okayfm 101.7.